As you will know, Lightroom presets are never available for free. Sometimes you have to pay for presets, and sometimes presets are free, but the funny thing is that there is a password. You have to read the whole video or article and then collect the password, which is such a boring thing. Listen brother, in this digital world, if you have to pay money for a little Lightroom presets, it's unbelievable. So don't worry, this video I will give you the best free Lightroom presets pack, which you can download easily without wasting your precious time. You can learn how I made the preset by watching the full video, or you can download the preset and listen.